You guys were saying Porsche, you guys were saying Cadillac. So I'm gonna come in here and take delivery of my brand new. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it is time. My second car is finally here. I got the call and I am getting in an Uber with my wife Amber to go pick it up. So it is a car that I bet you guys never thought I would buy. So let's get going. So as you know, this is a day that I've been waiting for a really long time, and it's finally here. It's been 7 months. I told you guys I was getting something. Now you're all about to be very surprised at what I'm getting. So here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I am on thebrinkofspeed.com, and do not forget to enter our enormous giveaway with Forged Light wheels, R1 concept brakes, ACS composite rear diffuser fins, and ACS composite Z06 side rockers. Get your entries by purchasing either key tags or a Come and Take It limited edition shirt. These give you 100 entries, and these give you 10 for 1 and 50 for 2. So get 150 entries by buying both today. All right, so we are here at a Chevy dealership. Yes, that's right, Chevy. You guys were saying Porsche, you guys were saying Cadillac, you were guessing all sorts of stuff, Mustang. But no, we're here at a Chevy dealership, so I gotta come in here and take delivery of my brand new Chevy. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. That is the brand new Brink of Speed car on the channel. This is a SS Camaro with the 2SS package and a 1LE track pack. So what a beautiful car. It's got the satin hood on it. And this is like an Arctic white color. Big old front splitter. And Eagle F1 tires. Wait till you guys see the interior. So it's got the black interior, and these are Recaro seats. Red seat belts, just like the Vet. And then it's got red accents, and guys, you're not ready for this, but check it out. Manual 6-speed transmission. Look at how beautiful the interior is on this car. The LED lights on the door. Everything is suede on the seats. And then suede steering wheel, suede on the shifter. Absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think? Give it a big thumbs up if you are excited about this new car for the channel. So I decided I'm not going to take the Camaro. I'm going to take this 1960 Corvette instead. What do you guys think of this thing? This is a numbers matching 1960 C1. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've done this a few times.
Look at the size of that steering wheel.
Trying to unload the cars, and then they bang against the glass,
and they've got a 70th in here. I'm sure it's already sold.
Yes, it is.
But that is always beautiful to see. It's an interesting black nacelles with the stripes on there. This one.
Oh.
Yeah. So they're moving that out, and then they're going to start the new SS up and bring it outside for me. I love this lip spoiler too. Really neat. So let's hear this startup. Oh yeah. By the way, Robert is here. He came and joined us. Sounds good. This thing is really loaded out too. It's basically like a Corvette. It does have the mag ride. So it's going to be a really smooth ride, but it's also going to be ready to go for any track sessions I want to do. So yes, I'm taking this one to the track. I love how it says 1LE on the caliper too. You can see that as it's turning there. So cool. What do you think?
Oh, I like it. I like it. Like,
so pretty.
Like flashbacks to my Huffines days here.
I bet.
Backing these things out.
Look at that. It looks so good. So good. Love it. All right, guys. So as you can see, Robert is here. He was here. He was at the dealership when I took delivery of my 2020. Yep. And he delivered my 2015 and my 2009
with Eddie. Yep.
Yeah. So it's always special to have him here.
At my alma mater.
What's that?
At my alma mater. This dealership is where I started.
Exactly.
It was my first job in Texas, my first experience in car sales.
He used to work at Huffines Chevrolet, which is what
Plano.
This dealership is, Huffines Chevrolet.
Yep, and this is in Plano, Texas.
Yeah.
For those of you who know, there's two of them. There's one Louisville, Plano. This is Plano. This is where I started.
So I'm going to get in my car, my brand new Camaro SS with the 2SS package and the 1LE track pack and enjoy it. My wife and I are going to drive it around. I'm going to give you some of my thoughts and feedback on it, but I'm just stoked to be taking delivery of this car after 7 months.
Yes. Took a while.
I mean, look at this. Look at how pretty this is. Look at the red LEDs on the door.
Yep.
Look at the Camaro right here
the door sill
on
is
the
illuminated.
door sill.
You
the
got
red
the suede
seat
leather
belts.
hybrid seat.
Oh yeah, look at the gauges.
Yeah, these Camaros are awesome.
Oh, these are so awesome. And the most fantastic thing about it is that 6-speed manual transmission.
Yep. Exactly. Now they built the Camaro at two plants in Oshawa and in the United States in Detroit. So this one is your Detroit one.
There you go. There's the VIN.
It's a one.
Awesome.
It's from Michigan, like you.
It's from Michigan, just like I was. There you go.
We know that motor, don't we?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
LT1.
And it's 460 horse.
Yep. Yeah, because you got
460.
the
Yep, 460 foot-pounds of torque.
Yep.
I love it. I can't wait. Let's go drive it.
All right.
But thank you for coming out.
Thank you.
And thank you for getting me in touch with Chris at Huffines.
Absolutely. Thank you. Oh, by the way, for YouTube, this is Miles. This is my son.
That's right. Embarrass him. Make sure you embarrass Miles.
Yes, absolutely. That's all right. It's all right. He knows.
He's in the 92.
Yeah, okay. Wait a few more years. He's going to be saying, "Hey, Dad, can I teeth that out?"
Exactly.
It's already happening. It's already going to happen. He knows it's going to happen.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. We're going to go for a drive now. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, unfortunately, it got dark. I could not film anything while I was driving home. But check out this garage. I mean, really, look at this. You got the beautiful 23 ceramic matrix gray C8 and a beautiful, I think it's called Glacier White SS Camaro with the 2SS package and the 1LE package. And I mean, look at the aggressive stance. Even compared to this aggressive stance on the C8 Corvette. I mean, it's lowered, it's got the awesome offset on the wheels. And then look at this. This is incredible. I mean, look at those fender flares. Look at the enormous front splitter. This is more like a 5VM compared to that 1VM, or it's pretty similar. You see the lip on that. And then you see the lip on that. But this definitely sticks out a little further maybe, yeah, it's pretty similar actually. I love the grille. I just love everything about this. And by the way, this brings me back full circle. I don't know if a lot of you know this about me, but in the year 2000, I bought a 1995 Camaro Z28 and I had it till 2003. I ended up trading that in for something different at the time, but I had a Camaro Z28. So it's been exactly 20 years since I've owned a Camaro, and now I own another one. And I'm just super excited to bring you guys content with this car. I hope that if you love Camaros, you will like my content with this. I'm not gonna disclose too much tonight about the way this drove, except for the fact that I absolutely enjoyed myself big time driving this around and then bringing it home. And this is gonna be a track beast. It was built for the track. And so I'm just super excited to have a 23 C8 and a 23 Camaro in the garage. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the big surprise. It took 7 months. I ordered it in September. They told me it would be here by probably the middle to end of November. And then it just kept getting delayed, and finally it's here. So if you're excited about this Camaro and you're excited about the content that I'm gonna bring you with this Camaro, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you like both Corvettes and Camaros, make sure to smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys out on the road.